Morning, everyone. Today we are going to see that MSF or COSM, the same syllabus, mathematical expectation. Mathematical expectation, yeah, unit 2. So here in unit 1, you can see that there are same probability. So the extension will be, we are going to see that the same thing in random variables and probability distributions here. So the concepts will be like this. First, we are going to see the random variable and what are the discrete probability distributions and continuous probability distributions. Finally, statistical independence. And here you can see that there are two distributions here mentioned. Not like many distributions are there, especially. But here we are going to see that here only the two distributions here. One is a discrete probability distribution, another one is the continuous probability distributions. And before going to that, here I kept here. So this C is a f of x. That means the discrete. We are using that function in terms of the p, I mean f p of x, and the function is probability mass function. And then next, sometimes we are going to use that the probability density function also. But here the density function, especially we are going to use that the for continuous probability distribution. And so any function will be that mean frequency function. Then we are going to use that the capital F of x, and this is a continuous continuous discrete probability function. Okay, so this is the thing, and the statistical independence. And now we are focusing only that the discrete probability distributions now. So how many distributions are there in a discrete probability distributions? One is binomial, another one is Poisson. Now we can see that here mathematical expectation, mean and the variance of the DPD. DPD means a discrete probability distribution. And here the summation of x, p of x is equals to x, or simply we can write that this only, that's better. Okay, so this we are going to see that here, and always we are going to taking like all these values. So once again I'll show you. So let x be a random variable that takes a value set as x1 to say xn with the probabilities p of x1, p of x2. For each variable we are going to assign that p of x1, p of x2 dash, p of x, and then e of x, mathematical expectation is nothing but the mean term. That value, we are going to take that x1 into p of x1 plus x2 into p of x2, adding all those things, right? So simply we can represent mean e of x equals to summation of I is equals to 1 running to n xi to p of xi. Or we can write like this. Okay. Then now I have taken that as a 1 to 6 nana. So those two, minimum of two numbers appears that when pair of dice will be thrown, only we are going to see that the pair of dice. Maybe a 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1, sorry, 1 1 1 2 2 1 1 3 3 1 4 1, like that. How many are there? See, here I kept mark. Okay, how many are there? 11 by 36. Minimum only. I'm going to tell about that. And then only the 2. With the 2 only we need to see that minimum. Which is the minimum? 2. Which is minimum? 2. Which is minimum? 2. Which is minimum? 2. Which is minimum? All is 1. Which is minimum? 2. Which is minimum is 3. Which is minimum is 4. 5 4. Which is minimum? 4. 5 5 5 6. Which is minimum? 5. Okay. 6. Only minimum is 6. 1. Okay. So the function is x, minimum of mn, and we are, because we throwed that dino, so we are going to take that like this term. And we need to find out the mean. What is the formula here? Summation of x or k into p of x star. So when you multiply it with that, no, say suppose we are taking that u of k is equals to k only, so you get that k, or this k into this p of x is equals to x, we are getting, 1, no, this value is 1, no, we'll get that k value. So here I need to tell about the properties. E of x is equals to x into p of x. Suppose x square, no, x square into p of x. Suppose 3x square plus 1. Here we are going to see that the properties of the mean term. 3 into e of x square plus 1 into p of x. Okay. And the same of properties x plus k ante, so this can be written as xi, and in general I am telling you xi plus k into pi, and then xi into pi plus k into multiplying, and I will get it, and this you can call it as a x, u of x mean, and a k, and this is constant, no, 1 ostadi, and this we are going to get that u of x plus k. That's it. So now we can see that based on that, whatever I explained, no, based on that, now 1 into 11 in 1 x into p of x, x into p of x, x into p of x. So 1 into 11 by 36, 2 into 9 by 36, plus x into this, x into this, x into this, x into this. So 6 into this, 5 into this, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is the mean of this problem is 2.5. Okay. So just now I explained, no, just now I am going to show that same, right? Properties only. Just now I showed no expected value of constant itself k. That's what I said. U of k is equals to k. Now, if k is a constant, if you multiply it with a scalar, I mean k into x, k you need to get that because constant, no, u of x, right? So in general, that's it. Nothing is there. Okay. Next, Nana, mean and variance. Okay. Now, just now we have seen that the mean, no. So, what's the mean and variance? Variance is represented with the sigma square of any random variable. Now, we can see that if you want to find out the standard deviation, so this variance is no, we are going to put that way, I mean, square root. We'll get the standard deviation. Then the mean probability of distribution is simply mathematical expectation of corresponding random variable. If random variable capital X takes that value, so say just previously we have seen that, no, sorry, seen that, no, in the first slide, right? X1, X2, and then with the probabilities P of X1, P of X2, P of Xn, all those things. Then mean of a random variable X is mu. Just I before then the first slide only I said it. What is the expectation? Expectation is nothing but the mean. So what is the final equation? This is general ma. You remember this term. X into P of X term. Now come to that general thing, right? Mean is mu and sigma square is a variance. Sigma is simply standard deviation. Now you got all the things wrong, right? And variance also we have many formulas are there, but I need to tell about few of the formulas here. E of x minus mu whole square. And the second one, if you expanded form, E of x square minus 2xu plus mu square, and every time you need to apply that expectation of E of x square minus 2 into E of mu into E of x plus E into mu, I mean mu square like that. And finally, we are going to write that like this also. Summation of I running 1 to n and x square P of x into mu square. Like that also we can find. Okay. Next manner. This is homework for you because previous minimum problem I explained. No, now we can see that because anyway I'm going to send you that this PPT. This is the maximum bra. Now just I'll explain you. 1 low which is maximum bra 1 only. 2 low which is maximum bra 2 2 2. 3 low 3 2 3 2 2 3 all which is maximum bra. Now the problem is only the maximum. So how many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 by 36 because you throwed that 2 dice are thrown like that. 4 is maximum, 5 is maximum, 6 is maximum. And you are keeping the table. What is mean, Nana? X into P of X. X into P of X. Means 1 into 1 by 36, 2 into 3 by 36, like that. And you will get that the answer. 4.47. Okay. Which is known as a E of X or expectation of X or neuron. Okay. And variance. What is the variance? Before that I said that no formula. Here it is there. E of x square minus mu square. Mu square value already you got that no here above. Just substitute it and you'll get that answer. What which is approximate value is 2. That is answer. Okay. Just third problem. A player tosses the 3 fair coins down. If he wins 500 Nana, if 3 appears heads, if 3 heads appear, then rupees of 300. If 2 heads appears 100, 1 head appears, nothing will be there. On the other hand, he loses also, I mean, he loses also 1500. If 3 tails occurs, can we find that expected gain of the game player? Whether he's asking that maybe if find that expected gain of the player, okay, because he has given that losing of that, right? Now we hope that the gain of the player we need to find out e of x. That means a mean we need to find out. How many times he tossed a coin? Three times now. Now, how many outcomes are there for this problem? Because the coin means only two outcomes, no? Whether it may be head or tail, 2 power 3. Then eight times nana. So this you will get it. This, right? And the range, whatever the range they have given, minus y I kept no because he loses the and 100, 300, 500, the amount I kept here. Now probability of 500 first, because all of probability of getting all heads and nada. Okay, 500 and all heads and nada. He wins that 3 heads, no? 3 times kada. So 3 coins kada, one time. Like that 300 is 2 heads. One head demo 100 ki 3 vastundi. And finally one time only he lost that, no? So 1/8. So moving on to all those things now. X into p of x, x into p of x, all those things multiplied with that, you'll get that rupees of 25 is the gain of the player. Okay. Next. A bag contains 10 items in which 4 are defective. A man draw 3 items from a bag. Find the mean of the defective item by a draw. Hope you understood that a bag contains 10 items are there. In that 10 items, so 4 are defective. A man draws 3 times from a bag, 3 times he draws that. Find the mean of the defective item. You need to concentrate only the defective item by draw mean. Okay. So in the 10, 4 are defective and 6 are not defective. No, less. I mean, let denote the number of defective items in a draw. We can need to find out u of x. The total number of items is 10, number of defectives is 4. So you know very well what is the probability. Then a probability is nothing but the number of favorable cases by number of exhaustive cases. Similarly, now how many things he has taken? 6 is 3 times. And then this is exhaustive case because the 3 times only he drawed. Said because how many total are there? 10. So 4 are defective and remaining n to 6 6c3 amount is 1/6 will get it. One defective I think 4 because we need to satisfy with that, no, right? 4c1 6c3 because all the total probability equals to 1, no, so that you have to remember. See 4 plus 6 1 sorry 10 and 10c3 10c3. Yes, our problem. Okay. If 2 defective, you need to write like this. 3 defective and then you'll get to write. Now, all those things we are going to keep 0, 1, 2, 3. And you got like this. Now, what is the expectation? 0, x into p of x into p of like that, right? 1.2 is the mean and sigma square is the variance. E of x square minus mu square. Mu already got 1.2 and now 0 whole square into 1/6, 1 square into 1/2, 2 square into this, 3 square into this, right? Minus mu square, we'll get that answer is, I'll show you. Hey, sorry, I didn't keep now. Answer sorry. So we'll find out. Maybe I forgot, right? Next problem we can move. Right. So this is another problem. E of x and e of x square, e of 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay. Right now you have seen that e of x, you know how to find e of x square also you need to find, you know, e of x square. Now we can concentrate the 2. What is that? This is a plus b whole square. So you are expanding that. Now what is a square? 4x square. What is b square? 1, 2ab, that means 4x term. Now applying that each term to that expectation term. 4 into e of x square plus 4 into e of x plus 4 into e of 1. You know the values, no? 4 into, what is that e of x square value? This. E of x value already you found that. Plus any constant is constant only, same. So I'll get that 209. Okay. Next problem. So now we are not, finding from the scratch. Now they have given, sorry, they have given that the table itself. Now it's very easy, but the table is very lengthy. No, you need to concentrate that. Slowly you have to do that. Random variables capital X has the following probability function, and x and p of x will be like this, and they have given the data like this. What is our aim? You need to find out k and then mean and variance. How to find the k? Adding of all the things, because the total probability equals to what? 1, right? Now what you have to find out? The below value, p of x value. Don't touch with the extra. K is 0.1, k plus 0.22, k plus 0.42, k. So all those things you are adding, and you are going to get that all k is equals to 1, 0.05, right? So that you found the value. Your mean means what? Minus 3 into this, minus 2 into this, dash 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 3 into 2k. So that's what, no, right? We'll get that answer. And what is variance? Variance is nothing but minus 3 whole square into k. Minus 2 whole square into 0.1. Minus 1 whole square into like this, right? Minus of mean. And you'll get that mean value anyway, no? Like that. Shouldn't have question. Should k into minus 3. Should k into minus 3 whole square. That you observe. This value into minus 2 whole square. That means x whole square into what? We'll get that answer. Okay. And this you can find out. Same, because the table is given. And here I didn't given that a plus b whole square. I have given very simple problem here. Because this is the 2x minus 1 only. Just multiply 2 into e of x minus e of 1. You'll get that answer. Because you are multiplying 7 into 1 by 12 like that. Everything. And you will get that answer. Okay. And this problem also you can see that table. If table is given, no, you can find out very easy. Okay. Now, moving on to the continuous variable. Now, what is continuous random variable? Continuous random variable is not having that the symbol summation. Now, which is going to use that the integration. See, that is the only the difference. Remaining everything will be the same. The mean and variance, all the things. Here, the function is not p of x. The function is in terms of f of x. F of x. Now, let me explain. Let capital X is a random variable with a probability distribution f of x. Then mean or expectation value is equals to mu or e of x is equals to minus infinite to plus infinite x into f of x dx. Coming to the variance. Variance in continuous random variable. Sigma square is equals to e of x minus mu whole square. And this, we need to take over that, no, because the symbol continuous, no, minus infinite to plus infinite, and put the x minus mu whole square into not p of x there p of x here f of x dx. And you know very well standard deviation, you'll get that for variance. Square root you can put that one, you'll get it answer. Okay. So like that, these are all the properties previously I explained. No, just you can see that instead of summation I kept here integration. That's it now. Instead of p of x, I kept here f of x. Nothing is there here. That is the difference of continuous random variable, right? So these problems are very easy. I don't want to take that much more time, because single integration is very easy, because already you studied in first sem, no? I think multiple integrals also you studied. Even 1, 2 also you studied that multiple integration, vector integration, everything. So you are not going to face that many problems, but I'll explain that how to solve that by using single integration of this mean and variance and standard deviation, right? Next up, the weekly demand for drinking water product. So this is the general real-time example in a thousands of liters from a local chain of efficiency stores is continuous random variable. Okay, continuously. Continuously means you need to get that the symbol is an integration, right? Single integration. Having the probability density function. I said no, here not PMF. Continuous distribution is nothing but using the PDF. continuous is nothing but a probability density function. F of x is equals to 2 into x minus 1, 1 less than or equals to x less than 2. And then 0 LCR. What is our aim? You need to find out the mean and variance of x. Okay, you know formula. What is mean? So this is a continuous, no? So integration of minus infinite to plus infinite x into p of x dx. Now you should be very careful because 1 to 2 will be given. Now I'll explain you here. Minus infinite to 1 plus infinite. What are the things they have given? 1 is there and then 2 also will be there. If 1 will be there, 0. And then 2 will be there, 2 into x minus 1. So that's what you have to. Now we need to integration expanding like this. Minus 1 to 1. Oh, then x into 0 dx because f of x is 0. That's what I said. Okay. Then 1 to 2 and then x into 2 into x minus 1 dx. Then 2 to infinite, again f of x is 0, right? So these two will not be there. You are going to evaluate like this and you will get that the answer is 5. Very easy, Nana. Now, you need to find out the variance means you need the e of x square pakka. No doubt at all, right? Because the variance formula is e of x square minus mu square, no, right? So then first we are finding that e of x square first term. Minus infinite to plus infinite x square into then that is f of x. What is f of x? 2 into x minus 1. Multiply with that, we'll get it like this. And moving on, I think I forgot to write answer. Okay, anyway, you can find out. Huh? Okay, by using the you can find out. Very simple integration, no? You can find out. Okay, right. So this is all the same single integration, but k into e power minus mod x can be written like this term. This you can see that term. K into minus one time e power minus also you get it when x is greater than 0. When x is less than or equals to 0, then e power x. Okay. Sorry, I kept reverse pattern ikkada. So correct mod x can be written as x if x is greater than 0, minus x if x is less than or equals to 0. Okay, so this you can see that and you can find out that because anyway I am sharing that notes also. So any time you need to find out value of k means what, then a total probability equals to 1 ra. So with that only we'll get it, ma. Okay. K value is 1 by 2 you get it. Mean also I have given that here like this. Odd function you'll get that 0 ra. Even function only you are going to get that answer. Okay. So variance also I kept here 2 you may get ma. 2 you may get ma. Answer is 2 ma. Okay. So this is also the single integration ra. Nothing is there. Right. 0 to 3 ichadu. Okay, now you'll get that answer like this. And another problem also. Everything you can see that because a very simple integrations, no? All those things you can find very easily. I'll share you all. Same nana, and extra problems I kept. Don't worry, extra problems also I am sending that. Okay, that's it. Okay, so hope everyone understood about that all the things, right? So thank you so much, and we'll see that then next class.